The book was better. It's a classic debate, but it asks the wrong question. An adaptation isn't a photocopy, it's a translation between two completely different languages. A novel can spend pages inside a character's head, exploring every thought. A film only has 2 hours. It has to show you that internal struggle through an actor's expression, a line of dialogue, or a haunting piece of music. This is the art of externalization. Think of The Great Gatsby. Nick's narration describing the parties becomes Baz Luhrmann's spectacular, dizzying visuals. The feeling is translated, not just copied. To make this translation work, sacrifices are made. This is called compression. The filmmakers behind The Lord of the Rings had to cut characters like Tom Bombadil, not because he wasn't important, but to maintain the momentum essential for a cinematic epic. These aren't failures of faithfulness, they are strategic, creative choices. This forces us to shift our thinking. Don't ask, is it accurate? Ask, what did this new creator choose to emphasize and why? The many adaptations of Pride and Prejudice show this perfectly. The 1940 version is a charming Hollywood comedy. The 2005 film is a visceral, romantic drama. The 1995 BBC series is a deep, faithful character study. None of them are the novel, but all of them are valid interpretations of it. Ultimately, every adaptation is a critical reading made visible. It's a conversation between an original story and a new art form. The best ones don't just mimic the source, they honor it by creating a new, vital experience, proving that a great story can have more than one home.